Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Guys, today we are going to review QCY T11. This is the new Bluetooth which just now launched by QCY. This one a good brand QCY. Mostly people know about QCY, always giving pleasure to his customer by bring quality products. So today we are going to review this one. I just order this QCY, so I open and I will tell you specification and usage of this QCY T11. You can see this box. This one black color I order. This one have Bluetooth 5 version and fast pairing. Also it has voice assistants. It means it will work on Siri and Alexa, Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri and Google Voice Assistant also work on with this QCY T11. It's available in only two color, black and white. So you can see this specification, product name QCY T11, operating range 10 meter. It's mean your device and this Bluetooth distance should be within 10 meter. This device charging time 2 hour. It's means 0 to full it will take up to 2 hour and standby time 80 hours. Its music time here written 3.5 hour, but I already checked its music time almost 5 and 5.5 hour. Its input voltage 5 volt, normal charger you can use 600 milliampere. This product battery also 600 milliampere battery. So it's mean 4 time total maximum 20 to 25 hour you can use this device continuous, or 4 time up down you can take from this box. And also this Bluetooth coming with its application. I will show you this application. You can use in Android system as well and Apple system as well. So let's open this box. I will cut the seal of this box. So I cut seal of this box. Let's start. So we will see what inside the box. Let's talk about QCY T11 price. Its price just in between $24 to $30 in low price, but they are giving promising quality because QCY is a big name in Bluetooth world. It very quickly connect on your device with just single touch. Double touch for answering incoming call, or keep touching 1.5 second to disconnect the call. It also has voice assistant. For pickup voice assistant you need to triple tap. If you want to restore factory setting or need to reset the device, keep pressing charging case back button for 10 seconds until LED blinks red and blue 3 times, so your earbud will restore factory setting. This box inside this manual, one manual have inside the box, one type C charging cable. You can see this charging cable, this one USB to type C charging cable, and this one earbuds tips, 2 tips extra available, one with this Bluetooth earbuds. So let's open this one, this box. So you can see this one QCY T11. It has type C charging port for quick charging. Oh, these earbuds looking very good. So we will put earbuds first in box. I remove these two earbuds. So guys, this one you can see there is 3 light indication available, which will show you your charging level. Last LED red means there is empty box or no charging, you need to charge this box. Up LED green means it's this box full of charging. When you will use it will slowly go down. Now my box is full of charge. This upside box green LED showing me this box full charging. If downside red LED, it's mean there you need to charge this. There's brand logo QCY. You can see some specification written on the back as well. So you can see very beautiful case with beautiful earbuds. So we will, and also guys, this Bluetooth have 4 mics, one here, one here, this mic, one here, 2 mics, one earbud and 2 mics second earbuds. So it's mean this Bluetooth have 4 mics for noise reduction. So guys, you can use this earbuds in very noisy area because this earbuds have 2 mics for noise reduction as well. So you can talk easily in noisy places. I will show you this earbuds mic quality as well. Now guys, I already connected this Bluetooth with this mobile. Now you are hearing my voice, this one from this Bluetooth. So you can know very well which one is better. Before I am talking without this Bluetooth, now with this Bluetooth. So you can see the difference between before and now. Which one is clear? After you can tell me in comment box. Let's I show you this earbuds application as well. Now I am going to disconnect this earbud. Now I already disconnect this earbuds from my device. I connect in this device to my other mobile. So I show you this application. You can see I told you this Bluetooth also has one application named QCY. You can download in Play Store and Apple Store as well. You can see headset, it's showing T11. I will reduce brightness so you can see very well. So T11, I will click more function. This one showing you my left earbud charging 100%, right earbud charging 100%. This Bluetooth left and right have touch button, so you can adjust this touch button double setting. When you double tap, what function you want you can adjust from here. For triple tap, what function you want you can adjust from here. And same like this in right earbuds, you can adjust double tap function as well and triple tap function as well. Also they provide us equalizer mode, so you can use different type of equalizer: default, pop, bass, rock, soft, classic, or you can customize as you like. Someone who like different type of music, so you can customize your equalizer. Overall, I am telling you about this QCY T11 Bluetooth. This one I use last 2-3 days. It's good device. You can easily talk in noisy places. Clearly your voice going to other end. I also order one QCY T13. I like QCY T13 much better than T11. So I will make a video on also QCY T13, so you can check on my YouTube channel. This video I am going to end up. So this one the latest model of QCY T11, and after that T13 as well. So if you like to review any other product, so you can tell me in comment. I will reply and make video on that product. So thanks for watching. Before going, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, so anyone want to buy, so he can watch this video before buying. Keep supporting.